We have a special unboxing. This box is from our wonderful channel supporter Marjolein from the Netherlands.
Oh, fantastic job.
It's for James's birthday.
Oh, fantastic job, Marjolein.
Here we go. I did the dangerous scissors.
Hudson's in the box.
Hudson. Oh, it says James, Karla, and Hudson. And Hudson. Oh, and there's a pretty
oh yeah, little gold
heart.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, a champagne bottle.
Whoa.
Wait.
Boop. Oh, look at that cool that is. The big 6-0. Oh, Marjolein.
The big 6-0.
Oh, little champagne. Boop. Hudson's like, wait a minute.
Huds. Here we go.
Oh, look at him wrapping. What is that? I see something in there.
I already see something for Hudson. Hudson, what is this?
Hudson, what is that? Ooh, look at him exploring the box. Oh, he's like, what is this? Is that for me? Oh.
A beef bone.
Beef bone for Hudson.
Beefsteaks, dog. Fun.
Look at it, it's a shank.
It's a shank.
How'd you love the plastic squeakies?
Oh, he does.
Look at him.
Okay, we're going to play with that in a little while, okay?
Oh, you're being very good, Hudson.
He is being very good.
Look at a beef bone.
Okay, should I open this little one first?
Perfect.
Let's open this little one first.
Look at Hudson, he's right there. He's involved.
Oh, James! Oh my God, look!
Oh, Bruce Springsteen Greatest Hits on cassette!
On cassette!
Oh my God, Marjolein, how do you find these? I have never seen that.
No.
Guys, I have a huge Madonna. We have a huge Springsteen collection, Dylan, and I've never seen this particular thing on tape. That is absolutely
extra
fantastic. Good. Greatest Hits includes 4 tracks with the E Street Band. Those 4 tracks, Secret Garden, Murder Incorporated, Blood Brothers, and This Hard Land. What an absolute fantastic job. Marjolein, love it.
Extra good.
Oh.
Are we focused?
Yeah, we're good to go.
Now, I see something for Hudson that I know he'll love.
Oh, he loves those.
Marjolein has sent these before. And they're a favorite of Hudson.
Look at Hudson, he's got to chew the box open.
I know.
He's got to chew it.
He wants to open it. Okay, here we go. Hudson, your favorite. It's like a little,
pig in a blanket.
Exactly, pig in a blanket for Hudson.
Oh, what do you think, Huds?
Keep these here, because Hudson will have more
snacks. He's like, yeah, Marjolein, nice job.
Hudson will have more snacks as we go along.
Oh my God.
Another box, James.
Oh, look at that. I love the wrapping.
I know.
Oh, Marjolein, on point.
What do you think this is, Hudson?
Oh
my God. Wait a minute. Build on brick mug. What will your mug become?
It's a Lego mug.
It's a Lego.
It's a Lego coffee mug. A Lego coffee mug. Oh man, how sick is that?
Wait, and then see, you can customize it.
Huds, wait, Huds. Boop. Look at how cool that is. Oh my God.
You can customize it with bricks.
How does she find these, Marjolein?
And look, it looks like a keychain too.
Yeah.
That we can put on our keychain, on our key ring.
Look at a mug.
Oh my God.
Lego mug.
I can't wait to work on this.
Oh my God.
Let's
I love it.
Let's get Hudson another marquee.
Yeah, Hudson loves his marquee treats. He's up on the arm of the chair, guys.
I know.
Hudson is positioned. He's like Snoopy being the vulture. If you guys know Peanuts, you'll know what I'm talking about.
Oh my God, this is so awesome. Wait, should I just like quickly put one
Yeah, put a
there?
brick on there.
All right. Let's see how this works.
Place a brick.
Build a brick.
Hug a cop. Oh man, that is fantastic. Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's connectors. It's involved. So
yeah, it's like an actual build. Look at that. It's the minifigures on the mug. Look at Huds. He's like, yes.
He's like, what? He's like, can we put treats?
Look at him standing on the chair, all sassy. A watermelon. Hudson. Look, it has a bite out of it. Hudson.
Oh my Oh, I lost it.
It has the rind. Oh,
Oh,
Hud's
it's
squeaking
so
again.
Florida.
It's perfect Florida. That is.
Wait. When you squeak it, look at that.
Yeah.
Tropical Paradise plush
Look
toy
at him.
collection.
He's nibbling it. That means he loves it.
Oh, he loves it, Marjolein. This is the same company that, you know how she got him like the little travel.
Marjolein, yeah.
Yes, she got him like the little travel valise and everything
Yeah.
like that. It's
His
the same
traveling
company.
dossier and his phone and
Exactly,
computer.
exactly.
Now he has his watermelon.
Oh, we're gonna play with that in a little bit, Hudson.
Oh,
Can you
healthy
sit
for
down?
Hudson. Broccoli says, watermelon's a good treat. Huds, back up. Up, Huds, up. There we go. Up, Huds. Here, you need both. He knows there's two.
Up.
Yeah, he's clever. Oh, Marjolein, fantastic job. Look at that
Extra
mug.
good.
The mug has wheels.
I know.
The mug has wheels.
So, James, wait a minute.
Oh.
This is separate. You know, she wrapped it in
A
with
flamingo!
It's a flamingo!
Oh
It's
my
a little
God.
Lego flamingo!
Oh, do manatee.
Oh.
It's a flamingo.
It's a flamingo!
Or something.
Oh,
Oh, little Lego flamingo.
Oh, I can't wait. We're gonna work on
Oh
making,
my
We're
God.
gonna customize your mug and we'll work on the flamingo.
Oh, that
all
is
in
so
the same
you.
Video.
That is Karla.
James, Hudson's
Fantastic.
after something in here. Oh my God, I know what. I know what he smells.
Oh, those are
Watermelon
great.
candies.
You know, Marjolein, those are absolutely
Oh my
one of our
God.
favorites.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Marjolein
God.
said- did she
Broccoli
say that's
says,
the watermelon one or
that's
was it-
not a fruit.
It wasn't watermelon or was it a different
It was
flavor?
watermelon.
It was. Okay.
They're fantastic. Let's share one. Karla's trying to get in the bag. It's not opening. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh,
Oh
look,
man.
Remember?
Remember how good they smell?
I'm gonna have one. Is that okay?
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, nice and sour. Oh man. Oh, Marjolein. Keep them.
Oh, extra good.
Those are one of my favorites.
There's more, James. Not only did she get us watermelon, there's peach.
Oh, peach. Those are great too.
You want a peach now?
The Haribo peach. Yeah. Remember? Marjolein, these are huge hits in here. Big hits. James will be out there at 3 a.m. shamefully and bashfully scarfing them down.
It's a heart.
Yeah, it's a little peach heart. Look at how cool these are, guys. Oh, man.
Happy peaches.
Yeah, let me show the little guy.
Let me give a treat to Hudson too. So he doesn't feel left out. Yeah, like he's left out. Right.
Oh, man. How awesome is this?
Hold on, there's more. Okay,
Oh,
this is a
Marjolein.
big box, James. I'm gonna put this on the floor now.
Fantastic job.
I love the dots.
Oh.
Look at the dots wrapped
Yeah,
in
the
paper.
gold polka dots are awesome.
Oh my God.
Oh. The whole, it's all you too. It's the whole collection.
Oh my God.
It's the whole collection.
Larry Mullins.
Oh, Larry Mullen.
The Edge.
Edge.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Adam.
Oh my God.
And then none
Look
other
at Adam with the glasses.
than Bono.
Let me
with the
see
glasses.
Bono. Oh, with the fly glasses. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my
With
God.
the mic. Oh my God. The whole
Oh,
collection.
these are awesome.
Oh, this will go great with our new thing that we're getting for our vinyl.
Here, wait a minute. Yeah, we have a plan for our vinyl collection.
And this will go right with it.
We're gonna get a new display.
Yeah. Oh
We
my
haven't gotten
God,
it yet.
Marjolein, thank you so much.
I'm trying to
What a great
organize
collection.
everything here.
What a great collection!
everyone
Look at
can see
the
everything that we got.
Springsteen, the U2, the Lego guy. Here, put this coming out of the cup, maybe.
Ooh, that sounds like a good plan.
Oh, look at a little flamingo popping up. Oh my God! Here, don't hide Adam.
Okay, there's another one.
Oh
There's
my
another-
God!
There's
How
another.
awesome is that? Look at them, all the U2.
Look at these hearts.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, those are cool. Uh-oh. Throwing down the gauntlet.
I
Oh
think
my
I
God.
might know what this is. I think it just sounds like a puzzle.
Oh man, I am so excited about the
Ready, Hudson?
U2.
Okay, you're gonna have your watermelon. You're gonna have your watermelon.
The
and
whole
your beef
whole
bone.
band.
Hudson's like, I want to play with my beef bone and my watermelon.
Look at Huds. Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh. that's a nice Springsteen.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that is a dignified, fantastic
oh my God.
Springsteen.
Custom Springsteen.
Oh my God.
Wow. A picture of a painting by Vincent Keeling, probably based on a photograph or a video still. She got no further information than that. It's going to be 21.5 by 15.7
Oh, that
inches.
is beautiful.
Oh, Marjolein, this is going to be a difficult one to put together because it's monotone.
Yeah, that's
like
beautiful.
You too, but maybe, I don't know. You think
Guys,
it's
that's a
more
great,
difficult?
great shot of Springsteen.
Oh,
man.
Extra
Marjolein,
good.
fantastic
Marjolein
job.
threw down the gauntlet with
Another
great
tough puzzle. Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh,
Fantastic
Marjolein,
job.
All this, these are, I'm just making sure I got everything. I believe I did. I did.
Look at how beautiful.
Marjolein,
honey, the
thank
whole
you so
band.
much. I know.
Oh,
you
man.
got the whole U2 set. You're set.
Yeah, that is awesome, Marjolein.
And I can't wait to customize the mug.
The mug, the
and
whole
put
bit.
together the flamingo.
Oh, yeah, and the candies will be gone by this afternoon.
So, what do you think?
The candies will be gone.
Down, should we have another candy?
I want another watermelon.
And then watermelon for down the hall.
Down the hall with
down
Hudz.
the hall with the Hudster. Let's see if he catches it. Come.
Hudz, come.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Nice. He got it.
Nice. Throw the beef bone.
Okay.
Hudson.
Okay, now beef bone.
Yeah, here we go. Hudz. Yeah, here we go, running
I
by.
did.
One more with the beef bone.
One more with beef bone.
Where is he? Here he
I
comes.
got it. Look, he's got a head start. Let's see if he catches it. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, he got it!
He got it.
Oh, Marjolein, extra
Fantastic
good.
job.
You hear him squeaking his beef bone in the background. Thank you so much for these wonderful gifts for James's birthday. And for Hudson, of course, as well. And I can't wait to put together the flamingo Lego, work on the Lego mug, and the beautiful puzzle as well.
Thanks again. You
Thanks,
too,
Marjolein.
Springsteen, Marjolein, fantastic job.